Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this Coachella look, eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to see how and what products I use, then keep on watching. This look, it's not like a too much makeup on your eyes or anything like that. It's gonna be more on the settle side. So the palette that I'm gonna be first using, the transition shade, I'm gonna be using here from Pretty Vulgar, and this one is called NYX Racing. So this is how the palette looks like, and the shade that I'm gonna be taking is My Ash. So it's this one, the crease area where my eyelid creases, just here. I'm gonna keep it soft too, and just bring this in at the end corner too as well, so we can get more like a transition shade just on that side only. Lipstick here from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the liner, the pink liner that I use on this side. I'm just gonna basically do the same thing on this eye. So I'm gonna be taking this one. It's called Party Pink, and it's such a pretty gorgeous bright, let me tell you, bright pink. So I'm just gonna take this liner brush here and just take the little extra axis of the lipstick and just put it here on my hand. That way we can have some extra. Start making the pointy and go up like that, and just take this to the end like this. This in the middle part right here, like that. So look at that wing liner, you guys. Like, that's such a pretty gorgeous pink. This lipstick as a liner, I don't know if I'm okay with wearing a pink bright lipstick outside. This here, just do like a pointy thing sticking out like that. Look in the middle and just pretty much start making this line like this, going over it. Back here, and do like a liner going like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go back here in the end corner and just do like a line like this. That way it doesn't look too harsh. And then I'm just gonna go back and do little dots at the top here. So basically that's how my eye is looking like. I know it looks too crazy. Like, Coachella makeup is just so, it's really dramatic, like Coachella makeup. Taking this Laura Lee Party Animal palette here, and the colors, you guys, are like crazy bright. So I'm gonna be taking this pink here, mascara for my lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna put some mascara for the bottom lashes here. These lashes by Allure Theory lashes, and these are in the style exotic. So I'm gonna be taking these lashes. These are gonna be the lashes that I'm gonna be using today. My hair like this looks way too crazy. Like, it feels like it's a pineapple hairdo. Bronzer, I'm gonna be taking this Boohoo bronzer, and I'm gonna be taking this brown shade here and kind of like a little bit of that orangey, so I can look more bronze and tan. For highlight, I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty, the Winter Palette highlight, or maybe the blue. A little bit of this and just put it here. Ooh, this is pink. Okay, you guys, so next, since my highlighting palette was a little bit like too pink on the side, I'm gonna be taking this palette here called Moonchild Pink Heart highlight, and pretty much just bring this in like that. Yes, look at that. Lipstick here by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Again, thick brush in much. Hello? Guys, so this is the whole look. I hope that you guys did enjoy. It's such a quick little Coachella. If you're going to Coachella, of course you can do something like this. And of course, you know, my braid, I did some braids over here at the end and over here on this other side, and just put like a little ponytail up just like this. It's quick and easy. And I got a little tank top, a long sleeve pink, and pretty much that's how my Coachella look. Enjoy this look that I created for Coachella. And if you're going to Coachella, you're so lucky. I wish I can go, but I can't because I got a lot of stuff to do. So thank you so much for watching. Also, there's the giveaway going on for the vanity that is completely free, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's one of the main rules that I request for the giveaway. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe down below and hit a little bell so you can get notified every single time I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.